Welcome back to the channel. So today we've got our first, hard to believe, 2025 M240i. It's a customer ordered car and it's unusually equipped. So it's not things that you'd expect most people to order, but let's begin with the color. So it's black sapphire, not unusual. And this is technically the LCI, or Lifecycle Impulse, of the 2 Series. So you can see this one does not have the lighting package. Just a little slit here for the daytime running light. There's no cornering light, single headlight to the grille. So blacked out kidney grille. Then you can see you have a parking assistance camera, means parking assistance package. And new for 25 is this very unusually placed M badge. So following the recipe of all the other M performance models, it does have an M badge just a little bit on the, say, tacky side of where it's placed, but that's what we have now. All right, so moving to the side, we've got a black theme going on here. So it's the style 995Ms in black, plus blue and sport calipers, rather than red for the Shadowline package. Here is the side profile of black sapphire metallic. Move to the back, where we have M240i badging in chrome. You have a dual exhaust and high gloss black faux diffuser. I will note there is a factory mistake on this car and a few other M240i's. So for model year 25, you could actually delete the moonroof. By mistake, this car was ordered, so it was built with the moonroof rather than the moonroof deletion. So we reached out to the customer. The customer was, okay, I'll take it. Otherwise, we would have had to wait a little bit more time to get the vehicle. But they're accepting it. There's no price difference because moonroof deletion doesn't save you any money. No cost difference. All right, let's make our way inside, go over pricing and options on this M240i. And of course, there's also new colors available on the M240i, including Zandvoort Blue. So we have one of those incoming. All right, so opening up, we have the black Vernasca leather. So unusual because most M240i's are spec'd with Sensitech. Door card, hard plastic up here, the triangle shapes. Then you got Vernasca leather here. The seats, there is some contrast stitching in basically gray, it looks like. But otherwise, pretty comfortable seat. And you'll note there's only adjustments here for side bolster because it is leather. Lumbar support is an option on the 2 Series Coupe. This one does not have it. You got M badging on the door sill. All right, so in front of me, your new standard M Sport steering wheel. It's a flat bottom steering wheel. You have M badging, you got M stitching. Over here, buttons for cruise control. You got your shift paddles in front of me. And of course, the stripe at the 12 o'clock in red. And in front of me, iDrive 8.5 live cockpit. You notice no heads-up display. The rest of the curved display. And then new for 25, you see carbon fiber trim. That is an option. All right, so then you've got new for 25, including the carbon fiber trim. You got your nipple clamp, nipple adjusters here for the vents. More carbon fiber trim down here. You got your drive selector nub, start-stop button, and iDrive controller, so nothing different there. All right, starting price, the 2025 240i is $50,100. Black sapphire metallic adds another $650. Vernasca leather for another $1,500. The parking assistance package for $700. Carbon fiber trim for $800. $875 for Harman Kardon sound system. All told, MSRP, this particular example, $55,800. So that's what it looks like with minimally spec'd options. So some interesting things: carbon fiber trim, Vernasca leather, but things that you might expect other people to order. But again, that's all personal preference. So that's why you have options. All right, we'll not hop in the back seat, but we'll note there is no longer climate control zone in the rear. You have room for just 2 passengers in the rear, only 2 seat belts. All right, we'll make our way to the trunk. Of course, there is no kick to open on the 2 Series. So cargo area, no, it's not a bad size. What you expect for a coupe, maybe a little bit bigger. Of course, you can fold down those rear seats for even more room. And of course, you do have a mobility kit over here because this is an M240i. No power tailgate. So close it manually. Make our way to the front and pop the hood. I think I forgot to check to see if there's an update on the B58 under here. So of course, B58 N96 3-liter turbo engine, not a mild hybrid setup. So I'm guessing here on the horsepower, so 382 horsepower, 369 torques. I will update that figure below with a pop-up. Should that be incorrect? I think that's still the case. But that's it for a quick look at our first, if you can believe it, M240i to arrive, because we had plenty of 230i's. Maybe 2 or 3 M2s already arrived for model year 25. Just speaks to the rarity of the M240i, at least for us, and enjoy that M badge. See you next video.